Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 172nd flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Today was Nikola's earnings call, and we did a video on it earlier that you could see on our page if you're interested in that, so check it out. The Nikola financials are doing good right now, all things considering that they are a startup company. They have a total of 1,385 orders for both the BEV and the FCEV. They have about $950 million in cash available to them. Expectation is that they will deliver 300 to 500 sellable trucks this year, mostly held back because of supply issues. If it wasn't for that, they would have had a lot more. Work on the dyno building and the wash station is continuing. The dyno building is getting roof beams and the wash station is getting prepped for concrete. We did see 33 frames sitting outside, and we saw one tray running with a test trailer. The employee parking lot area and the roads up front are mostly done with asphalt. Looks like they need a bit more for the parking spots themselves, and then the asphalt is complete up front. Our next live stream of the Nikola site will be on Monday, so please join us for that. And the next episode of Fast Charging with B&B will be Tuesday at 4 p.m. Pacific. And we will be doing our next live stream of the Lucid site next week. It will be on next Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do like this, please hit that thumbs up button. Please make sure you hit it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you think you're subscribed, double check, because you never know when somehow people get unsubscribed. You can follow us on Twitter at Bears Workshop, and thanks to all of our Patrons. We appreciate you guys. Now, let's go fly.